Welcome back, smart kids. Let's play and learn. Can you guess the correct baby for each mummy? But before we begin, like, share and subscribe to join the fun. Oh no, that sneaky witch grabbed the babies. Let's get them back. Are you ready for a fun game? Let's match the babies with their mummies. Let's start with baby Peppa. Do you think this is her real mummy?
Uh-oh.
What do you think? Is this the right match?
Uh-oh.
Is this the correct mummy for her?
Uh-oh.
Could this be the right mummy for Peppa? Hooray! You matched it. Now the pig family is complete. Now it's baby Suzy Sheep's turn. Can you find her mummy? Is this the mummy we're looking for?
Uh-oh.
Is this her correct mummy?
Uh-oh.
What do you think? Is this the right mummy for baby Suzy Sheep? Yes, that's correct. You are amazing, kid. Say hello to the sheep family.
You cried. You burped. And you laughed.
We were babies. Baby Suzy. Baby Peppa.
Let's help Richard Rabbit. Can you find Richard Rabbit's mummy? Is this his real mummy?
Uh-oh.
Look closely. Is this Richard Rabbit's mummy? You did it! You are so smart, kid.
George, Richard Rabbit is here.
Georgie! Richard! Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Bye-bye, Richard. I'll be back to pick you up later. George and Richard are best friends.
George! Richard!
Oh no, kids! Baby Alexander is lost. Can you help him find his mummy? Is this his mummy? Correct, you're such a smart little one. Look, it's Aunty Pig with baby Alexander.
Goo. Oh, what's that smell?
Maybe Alexander's nappy needs changing.
Ugh, disgusting.
Peppa, when you were a baby, you wore nappies.
I did not.